Isadora Iza Calzado Wintle, known professionally as Iza Calzado, is a Filipino actress, television host, dancer, and model, who previously worked as one of GMA Network's homegrown contract artists. After 10 years, Calzado signed an exclusive contract with ABS-CBN. Iza also signed a non-exclusive contract with Star Cinema. By 2014, she also became one of the main celebrity ambassadors of Bukit, top local food app and blog of which her fiancé, Ben Wintle, is the CEO. Last March 2017, she won the Yakushi Pearl Award for Best Performance in the Osaka Film Festival for her performance in the film Bliss. Born Maria Isadora Iza Calzado, she was named after the American dancer Isadora Duncan. Her father was Lito Calzado, a choreographer and TV director. Her mother was Maria Antonia Usher. She has an elder brother, Das Calzado, who is a member of Legit Misfits, a 1990s Pinoy rap group. Calzado's mother died from suicide in 2001 after having suffered from bipolar disorder. Calzado finished elementary at School of the Holy Spirit and high school at Miriam College. She went on to take her undergraduate degree in fine arts at the University of Santo Tomas. Before entering show business, she worked as a dubber for the Venezuelan telenovela, known in the Philippines as All My Love. Calzado started out as a guest teen star in the show Click, which led to further roles. In 2005, she played the role of Amihan, the Queen of Goddesses in Encantadia. She continued to play the role of Amihan in its sequels. In 2006, she starred in Moments of Love, wherein she played the role of Divina Buenasir and starred alongside Dingdong Dantes and Karil. Iza Calzado has been in relationships with Atticus King 2009 and Jerry Garcia 2004 to 2008. Iza Calzado has had a brief romance with Victor Neri 2004. Ben Wintle and Iza Calzado have been married since the 19th of December 2018. Iza Calzado gave birth to her daughter, Dia Amihan Calzado Wintle, on January 26, 2023. Iza Calzado's modern eclectic condo unit. The award-winning actress's high-rise haven in Makati reflects her naughty and nice personality with edgy accessories and feminine touches completing the look. It's safe to say that Iza Calzado's condo unit in Makati is an achievement built on hard work, patience, and perseverance. From the foyer, one can already have a feel of how spacious and open the unit is, with a view of the huge picture windows and high ceiling. Defining the foyer is a horse-like console table from Firma. It holds books and a few accessories. Most of the unique furniture pieces added to the space are from Phoenix Home, the furniture and lifestyle brand owned by Nix. The living area is a steady in elegance, with the pairing of the neutral sofa with an accent chair, 2 stools, and a glass coffee table. Sleek lighting pieces add to the streamlined feel, while plants make the space extra relaxing. Look closely and admire the work of art on the wall, the star of the living area. Aside from modeling for the said piece, it also marked her first foray into theater. She played the titular role in Sobel, Love and Passion. The living area looks stunning from the top. From this view, one can best appreciate the high ceiling in the condo unit, adding to its bright and spacious feel. Sprucing up the sofa are fluffy pillows and an Avalon throw blanket from Hermes. If you look at the area rug, the colors complement the rest of the pieces in the living area, resulting in a cohesive aesthetic. Moldings add character to the door panels flanking the open metal shelf holding the things Iza loves most, like skull accessories, books, and other interesting decor pieces. The door panels conceal her book collection on the left and her shoes and slippers on the right. Compared to the living area, the entertainment lounge seems warmer and more relaxing. With a sofa in a shade of gray, a darker area rug, and curtains that can block the sun's rays, these must-haves will surely come in handy during movie nights, especially the popcorn machine Iza ordered online. The work of art on the wall is by Japanese painter Takahiro Hirabayashi and was bought from Gallery Kogure. Iza's condo is also home to different works of art. She has framed pieces showcasing a thinking man made of lingerie by Japanese artist Chikako Motoyama and a pair of kimono artworks by Vincent De Pio. Adding warmth to the entertainment lounge are the wooden flooring and cowhide rug. The lovely homeowner doesn't want to have a TV set in her bedroom, so all the TV watching is done in the entertainment lounge. On top of the console cabinet are a few gadgets, and yes, another skull decor piece. From this angle, one can see that the entertainment lounge can be accessed from the living, dining, and kitchen areas. The entertainment lounge used to be the dining area following the unit's original layout, but Iza wanted a family area. The dining area will remind you of lush gardens and al-fresco dining. Bathed in natural light, it is furnished with a glass-top table and 8 matching upholstered chairs. Just like the rest of the areas on the first floor, it features touches of white, light gray, and beige. According to Nix, it was also Iza's request to have a herringbone pattern for the floor tiles. The flooring of all the areas on the first floor are done in a similar color. Mirrors were used to make the dining area look bigger. Even though she lives in the unit alone, Iza made sure that there are enough seats to accommodate guests since she loves having friends over. The open shelf that covers an entire wall works in tandem with the mirrors in creating an illusion of a bigger, wider space. Having a shelf in a pale shade of green adds to the outdoorsy feel of the dining area while serving as the perfect backdrop for books, potted plants, and other accessories. The striking lighting piece complements the seating pieces. Iza wanted the kitchen done in white for a clean look. Complementing the white cabinets, marble countertop and backsplash are the wooden flooring and dark velvet bar stools. The actress's collection of unique plates, saucers, and wine glasses are kept in a black glass cabinet in one corner. Notice the mini blackboard on the counter? It's Iza's thought of the day board where she jots down thoughts that come to mind. Her fiancé also leaves her messages here. Though Iza admits that she's on a constant diet, she remains a foodie. The kitchen is perfect for prepping meals. With its generous countertops and cozy ambience, who wouldn't fall in love with the marble backsplash? The cooking area is also well equipped with top-notch appliances, including a cooking range and a high-end refrigerator. With free-flowing spaces, Iza can move around freely and work on tasks when entertaining friends. The former owner of the condo unit loved marble a lot, that many areas highlight the use of the said material. For the powder room on the first floor, Iza chose to retain the black marble and paired it with white fixtures. Black marble exudes elegance and will remind guests of hotel suites. Who wouldn't be captivated by the staircase? Instead of the usual wooden, metal, or concrete planks, this one has glass planks. Another element retained from the original unit. Under the stairs is a framed photograph of Iza's late father Iza Calzado, who was a member of the Bayanihan, the Philippine National Folk Dance Company. Iza's personal space is both peg and envy-worthy. Dominated by touches of gray, it features a customized California king bed with a cushioned headboard, side tables, and a foot bench. Don't dismiss the small pillow on the bed as according to Nix, it's a Notori. The Notori Company is a global luxury fashion brand by Filipino designer Josie Notori. What we love best about the bedroom aside from the view is the gray wallpaper that defines the wall behind the bed. The said wallpaper was bought in the United Kingdom by Tita Friday. One of the things that Iza loves best about her unit is the view. It has the view of the park, and from her room, she can admire the Makati city skyline. Completing the bedroom is a limited edition lounge chair designed by actress Selene Husaf in collaboration with Velux, and a 4-tiered cabinet that holds her gadgets and other knickknacks. On top of the cabinet are 2 works of art: a framed photo of a naked woman from her art dealer and friend Rocky David, and a photographic version of Takahiro Hirabayashi's painting seen on the wall in the entertainment lounge Sans Clouds. Found a few steps from her bed is a work nook of sorts where Iza can get some tasks done. It's kept neat and orderly, with drawers and cabinets where other essentials can be kept. The owner plans to fill this space with old photos of family and friends. Who wouldn't be reminded by a 5-star hotel suite? According to Iza, the former owner of the unit has a penchant for using marble. The marble elements retained in the bathroom works well with the mirrored sink cabinet chosen for the space. One of the things maximized in this home is the view. Even the enclosed shower area has huge windows that can let in natural light while letting the owner admire the beauty of the city. What used to be the entertainment den on the second floor was transformed into a roomy closet, grooming area for the actress. It has a vanity corner complete with lights and enough space for primping. The room also houses Iza's collections of clothes, shoes, and bags. There are compartments allotted for each to keep the area spick and span. Iza consulted with Cod Cruz, her stylist, in organizing the closet, but she got a lot of help from her angels. Even her shoes are properly grouped, from heels and flats to sneakers and casual footwear. Arranging them this way can make it easier to spot what she needs and return each to its proper place. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Your support means a lot. Hit the notification bell so you never miss out on new content. Always take care.